Hola muchachos, Lifeaholic Mom here, and today we are going to talk about how to make a probiotic in your kitchen using cabbage, garlic, salt, and water and a mason jar. As we all know, we need the good bacteria provided by probiotics in our system every day to keep that gut healthy. So I am going to show you a way to make it quickly and easily and quite affordably. Stay tuned. So the items that we will need to make our probiotic are a full head of cabbage. I'm using green. I'm going to only use one thing of garlic, one pack of garlic cloves, a 2-cup measuring cup, and a mason jar with a rubber seal. That is to lock in all of the gooey probiotic goodness. And I'm going to use pink Himalayan salt. That's what we need to get our probiotic party started. Woo woo! So I am just going to cut the cabbage. I'm going to take the 2 outer layers of cabbage and we're going to use that for the top at the end of this. So we're going to just chop it up. You can chop it up however you like. I prefer to chop it into kind of small bits. Put it in that jar. I'm going to do the other half. 1 head of cabbage should fit into a large mason jar. Chop, chop, chop. So I'm going to get it all in there and smash it down with my hand. You could also use a wooden spoon, anything that you have at your home that can mash it down is good enough. At the beginning, we took the 2 leaves of cabbage that were on the outside of the cabbage, and we just put them aside, so do not throw those away. So I am going to put about 6 garlic cloves in the jar. I think in one clove there's about maybe 10, but I'm only going to 6. So there I have my garlic and my cabbage all ready to rock and roll. I'm going to mash it down. I'm just going to use my hands. Don't judge my man hands, y'all. Don't judge my man hands. I'm going to take a measuring cup and I'm going to fill it up 2 cups, and then I am going to put a tablespoon. I'm using a 2-cup measuring cup, but I'm only putting in 1 cup of water. I took about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it in there. Make sure it's completely dissolved. All of the salt crystals need to be 100% dissolved in the water before you pour it in the jar. So we're just going to pour that on in there. Boom, boom, boom. So now that we have our garlic, cabbage, water with salt, we're going to use those 2 outer layers of cabbage, and we're going to use that for our top. Mash it on in there. This is our final product. Enjoy your probiotics. It really works to keep that gut healthy, to keep you healthy, to keep you balanced. 80% of diseases start and end in the gut. So keeping that gut healthy is a pretty important thing to do. And if you can do it with the head of cabbage, why not? Okay, ciao.